Optimizing your Rocket League graphics settings can enhance your gaming experience by improving performance and visual quality. Follow these steps to adjust your settings effectively. Step 1. Access the settings menu. Launch Rocket League and navigate to the main menu. Click on Options and then select the Video tab to access your graphics settings. Step 2. Adjust resolution. Set your display resolution to match your monitor's native resolution for the best visual quality. If you experience performance issues, consider lowering the resolution slightly for a smoother experience. Step 3. Change quality settings. In the video settings, find the quality section. Start by setting the overall quality to high or medium. If performance drops, lower the settings incrementally until you find a balance between quality and performance. Step 4. Disable VSync. VSync can cause input lag and reduce frame rates. In the video settings, turn off VSync to improve responsiveness and potentially increase your frame rates. Step 5. Adjust anti-aliasing and shadows. Lower or disable anti-aliasing and shadow quality to boost performance. These settings can significantly impact frame rates, so find a level that maintains visual clarity without sacrificing too much performance. By following these steps, you can optimize your Rocket League graphics settings for a better gaming experience. Enjoy your matches.